Look at this sweet puppy. Hey, Pepper. Her name is Pepper, and she is older than the girls. She is 6 years old, and she is seriously the world's best dog. Alright, so I want to let you all in on a little secret. We've been working on this project. Well, gosh, I've been working on it for like over a month now. And by that, I mean, it's really just been sitting in my garage, and I haven't had time to work on it because between this new vlog channel and the Girls Twins and Toys channel, I have been so busy, and the girls just started school. But anyway, check it out. So my dad and I, hi Dad, have been working on this bunk bed for the girls. Well, it's not really a bunk bed, it's a loft bed. And I just finished this ladder. This is the piece that's been sitting in my garage for like probably at least a month. We got a few more boards, but we're just about done, and then it's going to be on to painting. It's going to be white. Like I said, it's a surprise, so I'm not even going to be able to let the girls see this video, or they'll know. But don't worry, you guys will be there when we reveal the bed to the girls. It's going to be awesome. So my dad kindly reminded me that it has not been 1 month, it's been about 3 months. I started this project, well, we started it together, probably early to mid-July, so closer to 3 months. Oops.
You're welcome. Anytime.
Always trusting Dad.
Glad to be helpful.
So it's time for just a relaxing day. We're gonna sit here and watch Adventures in Odyssey. Hi Lily. I mean Lily Pad. Oh.
You mean Kate?
So our girls look a lot alike, and I get them confused a lot of times. So if you guys can't tell them apart, don't feel bad. And she thinks it's ridiculous because she can tell them apart from behind.
But I'm around them all the time.
Yeah, well.
Little Lily Pad is not feeling very well.
Yeah.
She's
Poor little
sick.
Pepper, are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
Look at Lily.
She is just the cutest little chocolate head. He never. You guys saw her. We saw both of them in yesterday's video. We're still crate training her because she's not totally housebroken. So, if you're wondering, that's why she's in here. It's actually the best way to potty train a dog. You know what I hate? We both hate. Is wasting food. Oh, apparently she needs my help. Okay. So what I was saying is I hate wasting food. We got all like 2 pounds of burger that Amber had pulled out last week, I think, and she was gonna make dinner, but instead I took her out on a date because we hadn't been out in a while, and now the hamburger smells. I wish this was like smell-o-vision. You guys could smell it, but it smells real bad. So Kate is going with Mimi and Papa to Wednesday night church, but Lily unfortunately isn't feeling well. Bye, kiddo.
Where's the...
Kate.
Oh, Daddy, bye.
Bye, sweetheart. I love you. Have fun.
Here we go.
Bye. And Lily, unfortunately, is pretty bummed. Oh, it sounds like Mommy got her distracted. You know what, kiddo? This is kind of like a date. Just you, Mommy, and Daddy.
Maybe we could get Daddy to go get some ice cream.
I could be persuaded. I do like myself some ice cream. How's that sound?
I don't know. Sissy will come back though.
Love you, sweetie pie. Alright, I'm gonna go get ice cream. What do you guys want?
What do you want?
I want chocolate vanilla.
A swirl?
Chocolate vanilla.
Chocolate vanilla.
Like an ice cream cone?
Yeah.
I want...
Oh, that's gonna work.
Yeah, it's gonna be kind of hard. Would you like a little blizzard?
How about a little blizzard, kiddo? You can get some candy in it. What kind of candy do you want in it?
Well, you can choose.
Okay, I'll choose.
Can I get the salted caramel truffle?
No, I'm gonna choose for you too.
I want snack size.
Wow. Alright, see you soon.
Thank you.
Pepper is gonna go with me. Come on, bud. Load up. Good girl. So I just pulled up. My parents' car is here. I definitely don't have an ice cream for Kate. So we'll see how this goes. I didn't get one for Kate. Got a lot of ice cream and we can share. Oh baby, I'm sorry. What do you want to do?
I want to let you do an airplane.
All right, come here. Here, you got to record it, Lily. Oh, your hands over the lens. There you go. Come here, sweetie. Oh, you're so brave. I'm tickling you with my toes. Hi. Remember the lens is right here, kiddo, so don't cover it up. Cover your mouth, child. Oh, you're gonna fall. Be careful. Who is that? Was that Kate recording? You're recording. Oh gosh. It does not feel good. Okay, stop. So you may have noticed today's vlog was a little bit different. We're trying something new. We're going to start vlogging every day. What we're going to try. It's going to be fun, it's going to be an adventure, and we can't wait to share it with you guys.
Oh, here it is. Sam I am. And here it is. The king. Sam I am. Sam I am. Sam I am. Sam I am. And a little rabbit.
This is one of Kate and Lily's most favorite things in the whole world, is to read books.
He could be that. He was looking to see 7-Up. And Dum Dum. Peace out, homies. Chit chit chat. Chit chit chat.